Namaste and warm greetings to everyone. I'm speaking on behalf of Global Compassion Foundation in Tusong Village under Lungle District, Mizoram, India. Global Compassion Foundation is a humble initiative working for four underserved and marginalized Indigenous Chakma communities living in remote areas in Lungle District, Mizoram. Our mission is to bring hope, compassion, education, and opportunities to children and families who are often forgotten. Today, many Indigenous Chakma children are growing up without access to quality education, proper learning environments, moral guidance, and equal opportunities. Because of poverty and remoteness, many children are forced to leave school early or continue to their education without basic facilities. We believe that every child deserves the right to learn, dream, and build better future. Therefore, Global Compassion Foundation is seeking support to establish a value-based, inclusive charity school for underserved Indigenous Chakma children. This school will not only provide education but also teach compassion, kindness, and discipline, respect, moral values, and cultural identity. We want to create a safe and loving environment where children from poor families can study with dignity and hope. This initiative is important because education can break the cycle of poverty and help uplift entire communities. When a child receives proper education and values, the future of the family and society also changes. Our vision is to empower children through inclusive education, regardless of financial condition, background, or social status. We sincerely invite kind-hearted individuals, donors, organizations, and well-wishers to join hands with us in this meaningful journey. Your support can help transform the lives of many innocent children living in remote Tusong villages and adjacent to 20 above remote villages. Together we can build a brighter, compassionate, and educated future. Thank you, my dear friends, far and near. I believe together we can change everything. We can light up the world. Thank you, everyone.